Well, this is where I parked last night and went to bed. This is a rest area in Kentucky, somewhere in between Lexington and Louisville. So couldn't find a spot, so I parked here on the side and went to sleep to the sound of the highway. I'm gonna show you the load today because I don't think I did yesterday. Let's find out. So these are the concrete beams that we picked up from South Carolina. South Carolina. Just all kinds of different shapes and sizes. I'm just trying to see if anything has moved just a bit. Just getting the day started, guys. Woke up and ready to start driving. Just did my pre-trip. I'm gonna start driving, go drop this load off, and we'll try to find something else. It's beautiful sunrise behind me, but extremely cloudy. Where I'm going right now, I hope it doesn't rain. At least until I unload, because I hate doing it in the rain. Man. Well, here it comes. Morning, everybody. Well, it is just about 6 o'clock or 6:15 in the morning. Snowed last night and it's still snowing, still coming down. I am in this small pull-off area in New York. I parked here last night when there was nobody here, but so many trucks at the moment. I'm trying to see how I can get out of this. Maybe I should wake this guy up and ask him to move up a bit, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll try. I will try. But yep, good morning from New York, guys. I am about 130 miles from the drop-off in Springfield, Massachusetts. So, cold. Let's see how this goes. भाई आप जा रहे हैं? आप जा रहे हैं? Are you leaving? Okay, okay. I'll back up and leave. Alright. Thanks, man. Alright, so the guy in the back is leaving, so that's good. I'll just back it up and pull out. Alright, going down this steep grade in Massachusetts. I'm in manual mode, 11th gear, jake brake, position 2. I see a runaway ramp in about 2 miles. So yeah, it is pretty, it's not that steep, but we're in jake brake position 2. Gonna let the engine do the talking and not gonna use my service brakes, and that's how you go downhill. No service brakes. Alright, good afternoon. Today is Sunday. I'm in Indiana. I was glad to get out of New York from all that ice and snow and all the cold weather. It's nice out here today. Different load. Have some aluminum billets. I think that's what they call them. 46,000 pounds on the weight, picked up in Baltimore, Maryland. And I'm gonna deliver this tomorrow in Elkhart, Indiana. So yeah, just doing my 34 here at the Petro. Huge Petro here, big parking lot and stuff. But just want to call it quits for this video right here. It's been a minute since I made a video, but it's good to be back. I'm gonna go deliver this tomorrow, and we're gonna keep making these videos. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to end it right here, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching once again, guys. I will see you